Hi guys, in this video we are going to build a video chat application. You may say it as video call application also. So to build a video call application, we are going to utilize ZEGOCLOUD service. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the official website. You can check as well. ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider which provides developer-friendly and powerful SDKs and APIs to build many communication features such as video call, voice chat, live streaming, video conference, and much more. As you can see here, they provide pre-built UIs so that we don't need to spend much time building UIs from scratch. They'll provide a pre-built UI code which you can copy paste and develop rapidly. Yeah, here you can see they provide one-on-one call kit, group call kit, video conference kit, live streaming kit, and a 20 plus pre-built UIs, much more. They also provide SDKs. SDK is for people who are going to build from scratch, and they also offer first 10,000 minutes free. And there is no catch for credit card here. You don't need credit card to start yet. Okay guys, let's start building. It will redirect us to the console. Here you have to register. As I already registered, I'll log in. I'll pause the video for a second. I'll log in and then I'll resume. Once you're logged in, it will redirect you to the admin console. Here you can view your analytics dashboard, statistics, projects, and other things. Here as you can see, we have utilized 0 minutes out of 10,000 available minutes. We'll create our project here. Here we have voice and video call, video conference, live stream, and many more. We'll choose voice and video call. And next, our project name, let it be video call app. Yes, as I said, they provide UI kits and SDKs. Okay, get to subject. Now it should work. Yes, UI kits and SDKs. We'll go with UI kits. Here the project is initializing. Let us wait until it completes. Once it's done, it will redirect to this page. Here we can select our whatever framework we are going to build with. Android is for native Android, and we have Flutter here and React Native here. In this project, we are going to build using React Native only, so we'll choose React Native. Yeah, here we can select the features like if you want call invitation, standard face beautification, or premium face. This we have to pay, I guess. Yeah, here we have to pay to use this. As of now, we don't need call invitation and standard face beautification, so we'll remove this and we'll click save and start to integrate. Here it will give you app ID and app sign. App sign is basically just a API key which we will be using later to integrate into our application. Here it is the documentation of the official documentation of how to build. You don't need to worry. I'll teach you how to build it. Open the terminal and we'll create a new project. Okay. React Native. My previous naming convention was wrong. That's why it threw error. Now I fix this. Yeah. Now it started. It will take some time, like 1 to 2 minutes. I'll pause the video here and I'll resume once it's done. Okay. Now the project is created. We'll navigate to our project and open in 10 VS Code. the 0.71 version of the React Native. Initially, it will create React Native application with Java with TypeScript. Yeah, to convert it into JavaScript, we just need to change the app.tsx into JSX, and we need to uninstall some more dependencies. We'll uninstall real quick. Just remove these things related to TypeScript and run this command npm update. This will remove the dependencies and also delete. mm, As you can see, it has removed those 7 packages, and yeah, now we are good to go. Before running that project, we have to install some dependencies. We'll install that. Let's copy this. Go to your VS Code terminal and put it over here. This will install the dependency which is required to use the UI code of the ZEGOCLOUD service provider. And we have to install one more dependency. If you are using Yarn, you can use Yarn as well. I am using npm, so I will go with npm. Now, and for initial navigation, we need to install some dependencies as well. Docs. And we have to add this dependency as well. And React navigation, native style. We need to install one more dependency as well, npm React native gesture handler. That's it. Now we are good to go. Now we have to add some more codes. Let's copy this. Go to your project, open android manifest.xml. Just make sure that it is from the source directory, source main directory, and switch it over here. Internet permission is already sub% there, so we'll remove this. And yeah, we have to add this line in prog rules. We'll add that also. And yeah, we are good to go. Run React Native. Run this command React Native, or you can run this as well, npm start. For the initial build, it will take some time, and the next time when you try to start it, it will load pretty much faster. We are going to run this on Android emulator, so press save. Now the emulator will get initiated. Make sure you install Android Studio and you have set up the emulator. And if you don't know how to install Android Studio, there are pretty much many videos on YouTube. You can find there as well. Yeah. Before running the npm start, run this command. Reactnative into it. This command will make sure that everything is linked properly and everything will work as we expected. First time it will take some time. When you run the commands after the second or third time, it will run faster. As I already told, the initial build is taking time. The next build will be pretty much faster. I'll pass right now and I'll resume once it's done. Yeah, once when we are done with this, do npm start. It will start the server, then we will connect with the server. And hit A. It will open the app on our emulator. Before that, go to app.js, select everything. Yeah, now we can see our app is running. Here we can see this text. Let's build video call app. We'll structure our project. We'll add a SRC directory, and in SRC directory we add one more folder for screens. Here we'll put our home screen and our video call screen. And we'll add one more screen, call screen. Yeah, I guess pretty much we are done. Now we'll go to app.js and we'll implement navigation functionality. First we import navigation container. Then we'll import creates native stack navigator. Also we'll import home screen and then call screen. I'll create a stack, create native stack navigator. Sorry. Navigation content. Navigator. Above one is the home screen. Component equal to this call component equal to call screen. Yeah, we are done now. We'll save everything and we'll run it again. Yeah, now it's working fine. Now we'll go to home screen and we'll start building. Import button which we will be using after some time, and also use state and use effect. We'll also import text in. We'll import navigation prop, and then inside use effect we'll change the style of our header. Now we can see the changes. It got reflected here. Next, we get some details from the user here. Username and text input. Before that, we create a state for accessing username. Username, set username equal to use state, and yeah, value is username on change text, value set username new value, and then for style, and the border width of 2 with 50%. We'll save this and we'll check. Yeah, it's working good. Now we'll style this page. Before that, we add one more button. On this, it should navigate to our call page. And the props is username. We'll access this username in our call screen. and title is join call. Let's see. It should be comma. Yeah. Now we'll style this page. We add margin on top and bottom so that it won't look messed. Let's see this. Yeah. We'll add a margin, little bit more margin. Let's give it 15 units for the bottom and 15 units for the top. Yeah. Now it's now when I click it should redirect me to call page. Yeah, it's redirecting. Now we'll start building the call screen. Here we will use a pre-built UI component library. Just go over here, copy this, go here, and paste it over here. Make sure it change here also. Okay. I just formatted this using Prettier. You can also do it as well. Just install the install the extension from here, then use it. Now we should import route. Now we are importing route prop and navigation prop. Now we can access the username which is passed in the home screen. Okay, already can be anything. Since it's a one-to-one call, we are using a call ID here, hard coding our call ID, and we are also going to do it for only one person. So for that purpose, we are using a hard coded string. When it's going to be scalable or you are going to add multiple person, you should also pass the call ID over here. This is something which acts like a room ID, like we can have separate rooms, something it will similar like that. Yeah. Now for username, we are getting username from here, and for user ID also we can pass username, and for this app ID and app sign, we're going to create a separate config folder in which we'll store our app ID and API. You can just take your app ID and app sign in your admin console. My app ID and my app sign will be blurred for privacy concerns. You can just copy from here and paste it over your config.js file. Once you're done with it, you just have to import your app ID and app sign. You have to put it over here. Yes, we need to import view. Yeah, and let's remove the props. This is for only if only one person in the room, it should navigate to home screen, and if someone ends the call, it should again navigate to the home screen, this screen. Yeah. Now, okay, will style this a little bit. Style is equal to container flex 1. Now we'll save this and we'll check. Just a minute. Now I'm giving my username as hello and I'm clicking join call. Yeah, it will ask you for permission in the initial time. You just click while using this app. As I'm using the emulator, it's showing like this. And once you click the end button, it will end the call. And I'll join with one more device also to show you a preview how it works. Yeah, now you can see. I'm taking this from two devices. One is the emulator which you see in the screen, and the other one is my own mobile from which I'm video calling right now. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what video you want next or what tutorials or what projects you want me to make. Thank you guys.